Silence.
Okay guys, what's up? I'm sorry guys to hear my dog. She's annoying, but she can be cute sometimes. I mean, it's not my dog, it's my uncle and grandpa's dog, but whatever. Who cares? So yeah, I'm going to be making a video with my friend Winter, but we normally call her Ninja. So we are making a group channel, and she has her channel, I have my channel, and my brother's gonna make a channel. But in the link below, it's gonna be their channel. So yeah, I need a nap right now. Sorry guys, you won't hear it. The type of thing that I'm using can only hear one like that. So yeah, you won't be hearing the noise, but you'll hear me and her talking.
Yep.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Man,
Yeet.
I want this guy to die.
I love snow.
What happened?
Oh, I didn't think you could die. I'm dying right now. No.
You didn't know that you can die?
I didn't know you could die. No, I'm gonna die.
Guys, just to let you know, I have a group. I'm gonna be changing that group. If you guys don't know me and you have subscribed, I used to be Amira, but I'm starting a new channel. That was my YouTube channel name,
Our group channel is called the Ninja Gamers, and I'm gonna die. I'm supposed to be. Yay! I didn't die.
Oh, we're the only people who survived.
Well, I just noticed that one of them left, but there was 2 cat yours. One has like 5 S's, and the other one had like 3.
Yeah.
Which is weird.
So guys, I'm sorry if you don't expect us to be good YouTubers. And we're doing it for the fun, and we don't care. Like, if you guys ever if you guys want to hate on us, go ahead. We don't care.
That just means you don't have any manners.
But if we do, I would really enjoy getting subscribed. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and do the notification bell so you know when we upload. And do the same thing to her. She's making a video right now. I'm gonna go on top of here. I know every time there's gonna be something wrong, but I don't care. I'm going on top of here.
Okay. Earthquake.
I know. Oh my! How did you know? No, my balloon popped, and I'm dead.
I'm gonna die if I fall. If I
but
fall.
It's true. Every time when you're on this map, there's always an earthquake.
Are you kidding me? I fell and I died. Hold on, be right back. I'm checking something. Okay, I'm done. Let me get back into my chair. Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Yeet.
An apple. Save the day. Red apples last forever.
Need a lift? Pick up a green balloon of your own. Okay.
Oh guys, I'm going to be also uploading videos on my account, like on my computer. Yeah, this is today. I'm also going to be uploading Roblox videos on my computer, like showing you how I can make it where like there's probably like 2 people, 1 person on things. If you guys don't know how to do that, I mean, you might probably see other videos like that. But if you guys don't really know and just come up on mine, then that's okay. I'll show you whenever I make the videos.
Yeet.
What the heck was that? Wait, how did I die? Okay, I remember how I died.
I only had like 2 hits and then I'm dead.
But I fell. How this guy's name like blah 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 blah. No, it's blah blah blue blood.
Blah blah blue blah.
What the fuck?
Nothing but questions. You guys think I sound like a 6-year-old or a 7-year-old? I am not 6 or 7. Just the way that the thing makes my voice sound.
Yeah. Come up here, Borrelia.
I'm trying to. What does it look like I'm doing?
Well, it shows you you're still climbing those buttons.
Ugh.
This person trying to be Dennis Daly. Kidding, no.
Acid rain. I'm in a
Is
safe
acid
place.
rain okay? I know what to do.
How am I dying? Wait, Amira, what are you doing?
Standing on your head. Hey, this is the best way to stay alive.
Yeah,
This guy's dying.
I know.
I wonder who else died. If it's just, it'd be cool if it's just me and you.
Yeah.
Like, survived.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god, I'm sorry if you guys can hear my dog. I keep seeing my dog. No, it's not my dog. It's my uncle's dog. Like, yeah, it's my, okay. It's not my uncle's. He just wants love.
It's
Like,
turning black. What's that?
No, we better not die. I'm eating an apple. I'm surviving. Hey, I'm gonna survive. Come on, eat the apple. How the heck did I just die right there? Oh my
Because
god, it's just me and you, Morelia. I keep mixing you up with my other friend.
yeah, at
your name
school.
is Winter, but I call you.
No, well, I prefer Ninja just because I like the name.
Yeah, but then that name's Winter, though.
Yeah, but before my name was Winter. Like, I liked the name Winter. But now I like the name Ninja.
Can't you change your name in Discord?
I don't know. If you guys don't know what Discord is,
I'm gonna be giving you guys our Discord link, so if you guys want to talk to us in our chat group, and yeah.
If you guys don't know what Discord is, it's basically like a chatting thing for gamers.
Yeah.
And you can get it online. Wait,
yeah, if you guys have Aptoid, you can get it on Aptoid. Or like if you guys have App Store, I'm pretty sure you can get it on that. But if you guys have a Kindle Fire, I'm not sure if you can actually get on your Kindle Fire.
If you have
I have a Kindle Fire right now.
Yeah.
But like I got it on Aptoid, so
yeah.
Maybe I can show you guys how to download Aptoid if you guys don't have it, then yeah.
And maybe in the future we probably might do live streams. We're still figuring out the whole YouTube thing, like how to edit and stuff. Right now I'm just making the videos and then just posting them. But tell me in the comments below if you want us to do more videos. We will be recording some... I saw you die. We will be recording some Roblox and Minecraft videos, because that's our favorite games right now. So yeah.
Oh, and also I will be pretty soon. I'm gonna be making an intro.
Oh yeah. If you guys haven't seen my intro, go check it out. It's pretty cool, and if you want more, just tell me in the comments.
Yeah.
I want to jump
off.
off.
Just to let you guys know, if you guys have YouTube channels and you're watching ours, if you guys need an intro, you don't have any, just, or if you guys join our Discord chat,
we can teach you.
We can tell you how.
I mean, like, you know how, like, they all have their face cam? Maybe in the future we will do face cams. But right now, you'll just be hearing our voice.
Yeah.
So sorry if you guys want really, if you guys have seen Magma Musin, it's kind of like that, like only he doesn't talk. But if you guys haven't seen him, please go check him out. He does awesome building. I don't know how he does it.
Yeah.
Like he knows where everything goes, and he knows like what colors he wants. Like, it's amazing. You guys need to check it out.
Yeah. Also go check out Unspeakable and Preston Clays and
Moosecraft and all those YouTubers. Soon I probably will be making a Minecraft video of us working on a dropper. I think I told you guys in a previous video, but if you guys didn't see that video, I'll just tell you now. Okay. Well, anyway, guys, so yeah, please subscribe, leave a like, and smash that notification bell. I'm done.
No! Why? Just why?
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh god, oh god,
I'm
oh god,
dead.
oh god. I need a nap, and I'm dead.
I'm
Are you
dead.
dead?
Yeah, I'm dead. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this video where it is. Please go check out our channel. I will put Amira's channel in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and smash that notification bell. See you next time.